Why do you want the rain to go away?
Rain, go away. Go away.
Why do you want the rain to go away?
Rain, go away. Back to another day. Go rain, come away. Go away.
No.
What?
Why do you want the rain to go away?
Because I gotta think it go. I gotta think it loud. I gotta think it loud again. I gotta think the rain way loud.
Why you want it to come back another day then?
Rain, go away. It ain't come another day. The rain won't go away.
It won't? Well, what you gonna do about it?
Cause I can't. I'm going to the light go away with a measure thing.
Oh, okay.